myself, people. You don't know it's Lord I the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. And today, you don't know, it's the 33-month Freeform lock update. Super thick dreads, as you can see. So you don't know, people. From the other day, we've been growing out the locks. We're getting up there now, almost 3 years. So you don't know. I have the length, but I also showing you that I've been a style today where we did like a lock bun. So I'm showing you guys, and basically they did this with needle and thread, and they grouped the locks together and did like a braided style. So it's a very unique style if you don't want to wear your hair down in your face, especially for thick locks. You can do something like this. It's a nice vibe, different look. And these are the things that we'll be showing you on the channel. You don't know, different vibe, different look. It's a nice, I always tell people, say, you don't know if you're wearing a hairstyle, you can wear it many different ways for many different looks, so you're feeling. So you don't know, this is one of the vibes that we wear for the summer. Get the hair out of our face, so you don't know. This is 33 months, people. I want to bless up everybody who have been supporting the channel. Car driving by. We've been supporting the channel, we've been showing love, and all of the above. Remember to go on Instagram and follow me, the Dad's Lord High, and remember to like and subscribe. 33 months, Freeform lock update. Bless up on yourself, people. This has been Lord High, the Dads, for the Dad's Life YouTube channel. Boom!